how to fix moviebox app not working. So if you want to fix moviebox app not working, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down and you'll find apps right here. Tap on apps. Under apps, you need to go with manage apps. From manage apps, you need to scroll down and then find the application of moviebox. Once you find the application of moviebox, tap on it and it will take you to the app info. Now, once you're on your app info, you need to go with clear data, which is on the bottom, and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Once you've cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just go back, just remove it, and then open up your Play Store. On the Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for moviebox. Once you find the moviebox application, now if you have any updates on your moviebox, you just need to simply go and update it. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then just go back and then restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button, go with restart, and once you've restarted, the problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.